You see this stuff? Do you see this honeycomb? You see that? Look at that. Because this is all catalytic converter. What's up, guys? All right, today we're going to finish up the C6 project. We are taking it over to Mantovani Racing. We're going to put it in the trailer, and we might go switch out the tow vehicle. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. We're going to take it over. We got 2 new cats we got to put on it. It's got a check engine light for the catalytic converters, one of the last things that was wrong with it. I got them in today. We're going to load it up on the little trailer and take it over to Mantovani Racing's garage and get it on the lift and get it out. Get them changed out. All right, we at Mantovani Racing, and you know you're in the right place when they stacked up on sport chassis. You want to get all things cool, you come on over here to Mantovani Racing. Not messing around over here. We get the car unloaded. Yeah, you better move that out of the way. Welcome to Mantovani Racing. All right, so we got it up on the lift, and we were thinking that these cats are bad. This cat here is bad because it blew the metal out at the shop the other day. So we're at Ken's garage over here, and we're doing the product reveal. The cat does look a little different, doesn't it? But I think it mounts. It's like a high flow cat.
Performance.
Yeah.
That would go.
That side?
This side, yep.
Yeah.
That one's right here.
I mean, the flanges all look right.
Flanges in the right position.
It's got O2 bung.
In the right position.
The O2 bungs.
In the same spot.
Yeah, it's on the same spot. I think we're good to go. They're Magna Flows, and they're supposed to be like, you know, direct bolt-ons.
Lot more room now.
Well, that's true. They have the cat like thinner. Yeah, because look how much of a box it is. So.
Yeah. So this looks copacetic.
Yeah. Now, but let's put that on the floor. If you notice, I have 2 boxes. One came directly from Magnaflow, and one came from Summit Racing. And let's just make sure we have a left and a right, because that would suck. It's a significantly, it's the same box inside, but a massive box. Got it.
Exact same box.
So I was thinking,
they're definitely different parts.
We get different boxes at least. So it looks like it's gonna. We still have to. I wonder if it comes with a new. Yeah, it comes with a new donut gasket and everything. So I think we're good.
All right.
Yeah, nice.
So that one's supposed to be this side. Flange is right in position.
Looks like it's gonna be
right
perfect.
Position.
Yeah.
O2 synth. Yep. Awesome.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna WD-40 it, and probably take this X piece off. Take this factory X off, and it just disconnects. So you can see just like the clamp here. That's it. Drop this piece down, let the mufflers hang. Don't take the mufflers out, and just take these out. It's really just these 2 bolts on each side, and up there I think there's 3. Now there's 2 up there also. So I mean they're pretty accessible. I don't know if you can see that. They're right there. So one on that side and one on this side, and that's all there is. Now our experience leads us to believe that as soon as we hit that with the gun, it's going to spin that stud right off and crack it right off. We're going to have to go get hardware store bolts and stuff. So let's hope that WD-40 does its job. All right, so we got lucky on the first one. Stud came out, right? Everything at 15 or 18? Well, nothing snapped yet. That's good. Got a big enough gun there, huh?
You know what they say?
When in doubt, get your big guns out. We're going to store these extra bolts right here for the meantime. Careful, it's hot. You got a pry bar. One guy's got to hold the camera. Watch that too. I am almost positive that we're going to have to lower the car back down to unplug the O2 sensor because it's up on the coil pack rail.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
You want to just pull it off here?
Yeah, but I don't know if it'll unscrew.
No, it's right here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, I see it.
Because normally it's all the way up on top there.
If I can get to it, my hand's right here. Because getting from the top is going to be a pain. Getting from the bottom looks like it's going to be a pain. It's a good thing we ran it really well before we brought it in here.
I brought it from all the way at the end of the driveway. What are you talking about? I trailered it for us and everything. I wasn't going to drive it. It's a nice day. Oh, that's it? The square right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Here, hold that. If you touch the back of the screen, you'll see what's
Is this your part where you make it look like you actually get dirty?
all the glory, buddy. All the glory. Look at me pull this out.
You have thicker skin apparently to withstand the heat.
That's strong like bullshit.
You've been in hot situations before. All right.
Grab it.
Well, keep
Grab
it going.
It? No. Oh yeah, I thought you had the pry bar in your hand. Because it's gonna have to come off the backside before it drops off the cradle there. And we got new donuts, so don't worry about that.
You brought donuts?
I did.
Fantastic. All right. Not being cooperative. Almost there. Hold that.
Yeah. Why does it need a 3-inch stud on there? Is it? It's like it's holding the engine there. There you go. Is it off that side? Can't see. Shoot.
Gorgeous. It's beautiful.
See, turn it over. Turn it upside down.
Is there a?
Turn it upside down. I'm curious to see if it
comes out.
Yeah. I think that's our problem.
Yeah, at least
Shake
I
it.
can hear. I can hear the pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah. So. Yeah, that's your.
That's our problem.
That's your smoking gun right there. I don't think you're gonna be as successful.
So that the right side's. See, while I was on the phone, we got the other one out in 2 seconds. That one's good. So it was obviously just the passenger side that was the bad one, which was the muffler that blew out of. But being that it has an X pipe, it could have mixed. You know what I mean? So you really didn't know. So yeah, let's get the new one on. All right, well, just like that, we're installed. And I was just saying that's probably the easiest thing that's happened in this garage in this year. So we'll just tighten it all up. But yeah, they fit perfect. So kudos to Magnaflow. They fit good. They came in the gaskets. We reused the front gaskets, and then they came with the new donut gaskets in the back.
No hardware for the rear.
Oh yeah, we had to, these were studs, so we had to go into Ken's dad's grandpa box and find ourselves a few extra studs. So we kind of made those first, but. Got the several 16th wobbly there. My oil filter is hiring technicians. It says interview now.
I saw that.
That's what it said. What is that? Why is my oil filter hiring technicians?
I was gonna apply, but I figured this YouTube gig seems to be keeping me in business.
Yeah, right. Now hiring technicians. I've never seen that before. All right, man. Fire it up. Alright guys, so for the next 20 minutes or so, we went over the whole car. Everything looked really good. It sounded about 90% better, but it still had a little bit of misfire. So by getting a full tank of fresh fuel in it and some new spark plugs, the thing came alive. It was perfect. So shout out to Ken at Mantovani Racing for letting me use the shop. His guy Deo, who would come over later and kind of double-checked our work and confirmed he is the ASC certified mechanic. So he made sure that we were good to go and gave us our blessings. So guys, we were able to fix this lemon, as the auction called it, for just under $2,000 all in. That is plugs and wires. That was the brand new catalytic converters. That was the shifter bushings, everything you saw in part 1 and part 2. We were able to buy this car about $6,000 under MMR, if you will, from Mannheim, because everybody thought it was trash. It's an 11,000 mile beautiful 3LT Corvette, as you can see. So we were able to do real well. We got this car fixed up for about $2,000. So at the end of the day, really absolutely know your brand and know that, hey, that car just can't be that bad. We were able to fix it, hand tools and some simple parts and knowledge, and got a really nice car delivered to a really nice guy. He's been driving the heck out of it out in California. So thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Horsepower Hotshot, like and subscribe. We got a bunch more of these coming up. A Porsche 911. We got another Corvette we bought. You'll see. We got a whole bunch more coming. So we appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.